Times anyway about communication and how important it is, and 99.9% of the time it is. The 0.1% time that it is not is when you're a couple and you're getting ready for competition together in the same house, bodybuilders together. That's when sometimes when you get down to the nitty-gritty, it's better just to try and communicate less, because you just got to make it easy as you can for yourself. It's a challenge. And Andrea and I are handling it so remarkably well. I'm so impressed by how hard she works and her dedication and her commitment. It's inspirational, and it's good stuff. So, all hail Andrea. All right.